All right, I got it in the door, or in the car, barely. All right, I'm replacing this Westinghouse 50-inch, which I think I got about 3 years ago, and I did make a video on it. And I'm replacing it with nothing crazy, but this guy, 55-inch, I couldn't refuse. I've been wanting to get one, and I was in Walmart, and it was $248. I don't know how they do it. So we're upgrading. Not only is it going to be 5 inches bigger, but I'm also hoping it's going to be better quality, more updated. Like I say, it's been 3 years. All right, it's updating right now. Okay guys, there's a lot of setup. It gets more complicated every time. But these are all the channels I can add. I'm just kind of going through it. All right, now you can see YouTube. I don't know if you watch YouTube on TV like I do, but UFC, bands, Casey Neistat. Let's see if there's anything with some good visuals. Let's see if Blade Runner has some good visuals.
1982, when Blade Runner was first released, the reception was mixed. The common sentiment was
now,
that
let me pause it, and I'll show you what my settings are. Not 100% dialed in. I went with normal, and I went with Roku, but you can also customize picture. And there you go. The backlight was making it a bit yellow. I think that was one of the issues, so I brought that down to 75. I don't like it too bright, 55. Contrast, I might be overdoing it, but I've always loved contrast. Sharpness, you can go all the way to the top, but then it just makes it look a little fake. Color's average. And I think I brought the tint down -1 for that yellow reason or something of that nature. So, all in all, 248 bucks. I cannot complain. Let's give you an example of just an average TV show. I do have it set up with my Sony soundbar.
Duck Jr.
$99, love it.
Don't hide from Mama!
It's only 5 inches bigger, but it is a lot cleaner and a lot more intuitive. The old model, again, was 4 years old. So I don't have a lot of stuff up here, just YouTube and Prime Video and Roku, by the way. If you haven't tried that, that's your local live TV stuff, but you can get some old school stuff. I mean, it's awesome.